Oh my god, hi guys. So I just was watching my mailbox like all morning and I finally got my Silly Squishies bag. So I'm gonna give you guys the first peek. Oh my god, turn up. I got the jumbo strawberry. Oh my god. I only got one of these, but there's something else in here. I guess I got two. Oh. And I got a Haichu. So I just opened it. Oh. Okay, let's smell it. Oh my god. That smells so good. Oh, okay. So this is the little stem. Oh my god, it's like I can perfectly put my hand around this thing. Oh my god, I could do this all day. Okay, let's give it a squish. Okay. Big one. Oh my god. That is so slow rising. Oh my god, one more squish. Oh, it just cleared out a smell. Look how slow that is. It smells so good. Oh, wow. And here's the iBloom licensing. I don't think you guys can see. But, here is the packaging. So, it just has a lot of strawberries. I love strawberry. Basics. And then it says do not eat, and it's iBloom. I love this. It's from Basic Bag. Basic Bag did this. Woo! So excited. Okay, let's do the other one. Okay, that was the first strawberry. Here is the next strawberry. Okay, so again, this is the same thing. This sort of looks like a flower thing around it. And here's the stem. Same thing.